सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए। Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. I am Prashant Jadhav. Today we are watching some GK questions for class 7th general knowledge. First question, what is the capital city of France? Paris. Paris is the capital city of France. Next question, which African country is very famous for chocolate? Ghana is the African country is very famous for chocolate. What are the famous metropolitan cities of India? Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata and Delhi. These are the famous cities of India. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Bachendri Pal, first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Which state of India has the longest coastline? Gujarat. The grassland of North America are called prairies. What's called prairies? Which continent has the highest population density? Asia is the highest population density So I have completed my lecture in here, and I wish you have enjoyed my lecture. And this lecture is most important for you because it will grow your talent and make suitable to overcome for all types of questions which are connected for GK. And so this is a short try for my own, and I wish you have accepted this. Now I am completing my short lecture. Namaskar.